Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I will talk about the use of social media. So, let's start the video. Social media has emerged as a transformative force in the digital age, reshaping the way we communicate, connect, and consume information. In the past 2 decades, platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn have become integral parts of our daily lives, influencing our personal, social, and professional spheres. This composition delves into the multifaceted aspects of social media, exploring its impact on society, the opportunities it presents, and the challenges it brings. The impact of social media on society, connectivity and globalization. One of the foremost impacts of social media is its ability to connect people across geographical boundaries. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter have dismantled the barriers of distance, allowing individuals to communicate in real time irrespective of their locations. This unprecedented connectivity has facilitated the globalization of culture, ideas, and information. People can now easily engage with diverse perspectives, breaking down stereotypes and fostering a more interconnected world. Democratization of information. Social media has democratized the dissemination of information, empowering individuals to share their thoughts and experiences on a global scale. The rise of citizen journalism, fueled by platforms like YouTube and Twitter, has challenged traditional media structures, providing a platform for voices that were previously marginalized. This democratization, however, raises questions about the authenticity and reliability of information circulating on these platforms. Social activism and advocacy. The amplifying power of social media has been instrumental in driving social activism and advocacy. Movements like #Black Lives Matter, #MeToo, and climate activism have gained momentum through online platforms, mobilizing people and garnering widespread support. Social media serves as a catalyst for social change, allowing marginalized communities to voice their concerns, organize protests, and challenge systemic injustices. Opportunities presented by social media, business and marketing. Social media has revolutionized the landscape of business and marketing. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest have become virtual marketplaces, enabling businesses to reach a global audience and engage with customers directly. Influencer marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy, leveraging individuals with significant social media followings to promote products and services. The ability to target specific demographics and track consumer behavior has made social media an indispensable tool for businesses seeking to thrive in the digital age. Personal branding and networking. Individuals can now curate and showcase their personal brand through social media platforms. LinkedIn, for instance, has become a pivotal tool for professionals to network, showcase their skills, and explore career opportunities. Personal branding on platforms like Instagram and TikTok allows individuals to express their creativity and build a following, potentially opening doors to collaborations, sponsorships, and other opportunities. Education and information sharing. Social media serves as a vast repository of knowledge and information. Educational content is disseminated through platforms like YouTube, where creators offer tutorials on a wide range of subjects. Moreover, social media enables the sharing of research findings, academic discussions, and thought leadership, fostering a global community of learners and educators. Challenges of social media. Spread of misinformation and fake news. The rapid dissemination of information on social media has a dark side: the prevalence of misinformation and fake news. Falsehoods can spread like wildfire, causing real-world consequences. The lack of editorial oversight and the viral nature of social media make it challenging to control the spread of inaccurate information, posing a threat to public discourse and trust in reliable sources. Mental health concerns. The pervasive use of social media has been linked to various mental health concerns. The constant exposure to curated and often idealized versions of others' lives can contribute to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Cyberbullying, a phenomenon exacerbated by social media, has severe consequences on the mental well-being of individuals, especially among the younger demographic. Privacy issues. The collection and use of personal data by social media platforms have raised significant privacy concerns. Users often sacrifice their privacy for the convenience and connectivity offered by these platforms. The Cambridge Analytica scandal, where user data was misused for political purposes, highlighted the vulnerability of personal information in the digital realm, leading to increased scrutiny of social media practices. Emergence of new platforms and technologies. The landscape of social media is dynamic, with new platforms and technologies constantly emerging. The rise of platforms like Clubhouse, which focuses on audio-based interactions, and the integration of augmented reality in apps like Snapchat, signal a shift towards more immersive and interactive social experiences. Understanding and adapting to these emerging trends will be crucial for individuals and businesses seeking to remain relevant in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Regulation and ethical considerations. As the influence of social media grows, so does the need for regulation and ethical considerations. Governments and international bodies are grappling with how to regulate content, protect user privacy, and ensure a fair and transparent digital environment. Striking the right balance between freedom of expression and the prevention of harm will be an ongoing challenge in the quest for responsible social media use. Social media, with its far-reaching impact on society, presents a complex tapestry of opportunities and challenges. As we navigate this digital landscape, it is imperative to harness the positive aspects of connectivity, democratization, and empowerment while addressing the pitfalls of misinformation, mental health concerns, and privacy issues. The future of social media lies in our ability to adapt to emerging trends, enact effective regulations, and foster a culture of responsible use that prioritizes the well-being of individuals and the integrity of information in the digital age. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.